Hey guys! So in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of the Eucerin Urea Repair Replenishing Face Cream. This face cream contains 5% urea, and urea is a fantastic ingredient that it's also new to my channel. I've really just been trying everything and anything this year. It's a part of the natural moisturizing factors, one of the compounds that our skin naturally produces, and unfortunately also produces less of as we age, making the skin more susceptible to things like dryness, skin sensitivity, wrinkles, etc. So it's one of those ingredients that anyone with any skin type would benefit from using because generally, it's a good idea to kind of restore the skin with what it lacks. Urea is an exfoliator, it helps dead skin cells shed, and it's also a humectant, which means it helps bind water to the skin to keep it hydrated. Using urea regularly will not only reduce transepidermal water loss, but it also improves the skin's ability to create and hold on to water, which means a stronger, healthier skin barrier. So while anyone can and should use skincare products that contain urea, those with dry, dehydrated skin will notice a huge improvement in their skin. This specific face cream has a very light lotiony texture, it doesn't feel greasy, it has 0 scent, and it feels really comfortable on the skin. But it does leave behind kind of a sticky feel to the skin, which you guys know I love, but I know a lot of people don't like that, so if you don't like sticky moisturizers, this is probably not for you. Because of the sticky feeling it leaves behind, I tend to use this on no makeup days or at night, and you can pretty much use this with any skincare products, and if I'm using it, it's because my skin is chapped or feels tight and dehydrated, and yeah, this does an amazing job at immediately reducing that tight feeling. I love that it keeps my skin moist all day, even on really cold days, in really dry environments, and if I use this at night, I always wake up with really soft, smooth, supple baby skin basically. Also, when I use this regularly, my skin just feels healthier and stronger, and by that I mean that it stays hydrated longer and it isn't as easily dehydrated. So yeah, I love it, and it's definitely one of my top 5 must-have winter skincare products. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. I hope you guys are all healthy and staying safe, and I'll see you guys again in my next one. Bye!